Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Liberty Bell and its famous crack. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Was the Liberty Bell made in the United States? No, it was originally cast in London and then shipped to America. Did the Liberty Bell crack the first time it was rung? Yes, it cracked when it was first rung in Philadelphia. Were John Pass and John Stowe responsible for recasting the Liberty Bell? Yes, they melted the original bell and recast it, which is why their names are engraved on it. Did the Liberty Bell ring on July 4th, 1776, during the signing of the Declaration of Independence? No, it was rung on July 8th, 1776, to announce the reading of the Declaration. Did the crack appear suddenly in 1846? No, a small fracture had developed earlier, but it expanded when the bell was rung for George Washington's birthday. Is the Liberty Bell still in use today? No, the crack made it unusable and it no longer rings. Is the Liberty Bell located in New York? No, it is in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Did the Liberty Bell become a symbol of American independence? Yes, it became an important symbol of freedom and revolution. Was the crack in the bell fixed completely so it could still ring? No, stop drilling was used to prevent further damage, but the bell is no longer functional. Can people visit the Liberty Bell today? Yes, it is displayed at the Liberty Bell Center in Philadelphia, where millions of visitors see it every year. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.